How games anti-debugging. It has been observed that in recent years, the trend of game attacks has been diversified, mainly in the form of injection cheats, memory modification cheats, auto-click, hacking, etc. For a game, the consequences of being hacked are the most serious. A game being hacked means that the code logic and resource files within the game have the possibility of being analyzed and tampered with by hackers. This picture shows game security risk distribution percentage chart. Hacked version will damage the fairness of the game, causing a large loss of genuine players, damage to the revenue of the game party, and there is a risk that the code and art resources within the game will be stolen and dramatized. As the intensity of game security confrontation increases, hacking methods have evolved into the form of combining static analysis and dynamic debugging. Hackers can conduct static analysis and dynamic debugging of the game by means of reverse analysis, and modify the logic of the game client code to create a hacked version. Compared with cheats, the impact of hacking on the game is even worse. The production threshold of the game hack version in some of the tools under the auspices of more simple, through Frida, IDA and other tools can be debugging the game to analyze the production of hacked version. This picture shows Frida debugging framework operation process, such as the common debugging framework on the market Frida. Frida based on Python and JavaScript, with high debugging efficiency, wide range of applications. Can achieve cross-platform dynamic debugging, widely used in Android, iOS, Windows, Linux and other almost all platform application debugging. The use of Frida threshold is low. Dynamic debugging process only need to write scripts through Frida comes with tools injected into the game process. You can hook key functions within the game, such as the game character attack power, life value, the game logic of victory and defeat, the logic of the surrender judgment, etc., and in the process of using, without having to analyze the source code of the program to be debugged. Common debugging tools also include IDA, which has powerful static analysis capabilities and dynamic debugging capabilities, and can even remotely debug SO files and direct debugging of pseudocode, so IDA tools are often used to bypass the existing in-game protection. This picture shows IDA remote debugging SO library. JikGuard provides customized solutions to security issues arising from hacked games. The protection solution has been applied to a number of popular games and has been proven to provide excellent protection. Active identification of malicious modules. Unlike other security products in the market, which need to obtain samples and then fight against cheats, JikGuard's exclusive active identification of malicious module mechanism actively identifies suspicious modules, and together with the online combat features, achieves proactive defense, which significantly shortens the cycle of cheats investigation. Anti-debugging features. JikGuard prevents cheats authors from debugging the game, preventing static or dynamic analysis of the game, and immediately flashing back once IDA Frida and other debugging analysis tools are detected. Anti-hack features. JikGuard's exclusive API-free signature verification technology deeply encrypts the game's engine and code, and performs multiple checks on game package signatures and file integrity, preventing the game from being implanted with malicious modules, culling advertisements, and so on.